this video to which is about prefixes. As my last video about scientific notation, and it's mainly this both topics, scientific notation and prefixes, are mainly related to each other. Mainly related to each other. So after scientific notation, I think I should make a video on prefixes that students should not be confused and to study it well. So now let's come towards prefixes. That what's the prefixes? What's the usage of prefixes? Let's start from its definition. So definition of prefixes: some specific power of 10. Some specific power of 10, like 10 raised to power minus 24, 10 raised to power minus 21, 10 raised to power plus 24, 10 raised to power plus 21, 10 raised to power 18, 16, 12, etc. Has given some specific names, which would be learned from next step, which would be about table for some common prefixes. Some specific names called prefixes. So let's again come to a definition. Some specific power of 10, as I already told you, has given some specific names called prefixes. How it given, where is the names of prefixes, that we will learn from the next step, which would be about some common prefixes. Now let's come towards usage of prefix. Prefixes are used to express very large number or very short number in very small way. Prefixes are used to express very large or small power in very short way, like we are writing 10 raised to power minus 24. If we write it, there will be 24 zeros in minus steps in the right side. 10 raised to power plus 24, there would be 24 zeros on left side. So 10 raised to power 50, 60, 70, it would be too much tough for us to write. So the scientists of physics thinks to make the thing which makes to write easy. So prefixes are used to make a large power or a small power in a very short way. So now let's come towards the some commonly used prefixes which we use on our daily routine for short or small numbers. Let's learn from the table. Thank you. The second step of prefixes is about some commonly used prefixes in table which given. Some commonly used prefixes. So I have converted this table in two steps, positive and negative. This side is the positive table and negative table. Here are the numbers which are negative: 10 raised to minus 24, minus 21, minus 18, and there are the positive numbers: 10 raised to power plus 24, plus 21, plus 18. So let's start. So 10 raised to power 24, the common prefixes start from 24 till 1, minus 24 till 1. So 10 raised to power 24, it's named by iota, Y-O-T-T-A, and symbol is Y. Symbol is Y. The second one is 10 raised to power 21, zeta, Z-E-T-T-A, zeta, symbol is Z. So the third one is 10 raised to power 18, exa, named by exa, and symbol is E. 10 raised to power 15, named by beta, symbol is P. 10 raised to power 12, tera, symbol is T. T-E-R, tera, symbol is T. After that, 10 raised to power 9, giga, G-I-G-A, represented by capital G. After that, 10 raised to power 6, mega, represented by M. After that, 10 raised to power 3, kilo, K-I-L-O, kilo, represented by K. 10 raised to power 2, hecto, hecto, represented by small h. After that, 10 raised to power 1, deca, deca, 10 raised to power 1, deca, D-A. So, wherever you see 10 raised to power 24, 21, 18, it's not necessary you write them as 10 raised to power 24. You can write as a iota, zeta, exa, tera, giga, etc., beta, etc. After that, now let's come towards the negative side of some commonly used prefixes. So the first one is 10 raised to power minus 24, the yocto, yocto, Y-O-C-T-O, symbol is Y. After that, 10 raised to power minus 21, zepto, symbol is Z. After this, 10 raised to power minus 18, ato, A-T-T-O, and symbol is A. 10 raised to power minus 15, femto, F-E-M-T-O, symbol is F. After that, 10 raised to power minus 12, pico, P-I-C-O, symbol is P. After that, 10 raised to power minus 9, nano, and symbol is N. After that 10 raised to power minus 6 micro. Micro. So its symbol is like that. U, then make one side of U large. It's symbol of what? It's symbol of micro. 10 raised to power minus 3. It's milli. M-I-L-I milli or M-I-L-L-I milli, represented by M. Symbol is M. After the 10 raised to power minus 2 centi, symbol is C. After the 10 raised to power minus 1 deci, symbol is D. So that was the topic prefixes, its definition, its usage, and its table. So now, I want to say goodbye to my YouTube subscribers and Facebook followers, and we will meet soon.